Welcome back, everybody. So we are doing Easter because that's right around the corner, and hopefully you guys are staying safe and you guys have some supplies because we're gonna do an Easter bunny. It's probably gonna be more like the Peeps bunny because I think they're cute. It's, Easter. So let's do it. Alright, so I have a shirt that had been soaked in soda ash for a while. I like to leave mine in a bucket just so they're ready when I'm ready. And I have kind of gotten most of the wrinkles out of it already, so you guys just make sure you do that before you fold it. And we are doing a Peeps bunny, and you will probably hear my daughter in the background. Just so you know. Anyway, she's cute, so you'll be alright. And so we are going to grab the middle of the shirt, pick it up, and then line it all up. Alright, so I got all of my wrinkles out. I got any of the big underneath wrinkles out. And I'm going to draw my Peeps bunny. So I'm going to start about a little above the armpit with the ear. So I've got my washable marker and I'm going to make an ear. My daughter is super noisy. And then we'll make a little outline for a face and then another outline for a body. And we'll join it together. Boom, I think that's gonna look awesome. Now we're gonna do our pleat fold and tie it. So I'm gonna start at the bottom, work my way up. Make sure you move your shirt with you so it's a lot easier to maneuver. And keep your line as straight as you can. This part's gonna be a little challenging because the ear comes around. And sometimes you run out of fabric. There we go. Got it. So that's what that should look like. Might have to let go of it for a second and fix the end, but I should have did this before. Get your slip knot. But just to make it easier on me, I'm going to bunch this up and swing it around. I'm going to tighten my sinew up a little bit and then fix it where it needs to be fixed. Pull it as tight as you can without letting it bunch up like mine is. And then we're going to wrap it around 3 times. And pull. And then the rest of the shirt we can pretty much do anything with. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrunch the rest. Normally, just to show you, normally I would pull this and have it pleat folded like this and rubber band it, and then it would make little bunnies on the outside. But I don't really want to do that with this one, so I think I'm just going to scrunch the rest of the shirt. We are going to start in the center, and then start scrunching with your fingers, pulling the shirt in without bunching it up too much. You'll see it's bunched up, but we don't want it to be in a pile. We want it to be flat and bunched at the same time. So if any of it is bunched up too much, just flatten it out a little bit, and sometimes I even pound on it a little bit. So that is flat, and then the rubber bands will help kind of scrunch it too. So I'll use my big ones, and you can put as many rubber bands as you want in, just to hold the shirt. Nope, that might not work. Uh-oh. All right, so that is we'll call it the Peeps bunny shirt. So this is all scrunched, and then here's the bunny, and now we're ready to dye it. Okay, so here's our Easter bunny shirt, and I'm going with pastel colors because of Easter. So I have pastel pink, pastel purple, and pastel blue. So I think I'm gonna do pastel blue for the bunny, outline it with some purple, and then do all 3 colors out here. So I'm gonna speed it up, but you can follow along. reveal time for our Easter bunny. Now, if you like Easter, hit that like button. And if you like my video so far, excuse me, if you like my video so far, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time we post a video. I am going to do a little puffy paint to this because I think it would look really cute if I did. So if you don't have any puffy paint, there is a link in the description below. We're just gonna do eyes and nose on it, just to make it look extra cute. So look at that so far. That looks awesome. And then to reveal our amazing bunny, it's going to look awesome. These are gonna be pastel-y colors when it comes out of the wash, so it's gonna look even better. Are you ready? Aw, that's a cute bunny! So we have a blue bunny, and then we have a pink bunny around the blue bunny. And then the rest of the shirt is scrunched with different colors. And the back looks the same. So basically all I'm going to do is I'm going to put eyes and a nose on it to make it look extra cute. So if you'd like to follow along for that part, get yourself some puffy paint and then we're going to get to it. Alright, so I have my puffy paint. It is neon pink. You can pretty much pick this up at any craft store, even at Walmart, Amazon, which there's a link in the description if you need a quick place to get it. It is labeled puffy paint, so there's big packs of different colors. There's glitter kinds, metallic. I just do a test squirt so I know how it comes out. That's my neon pink, if you can see it. So I'm just gonna do, it's just a Peeps bunny, so I'm not doing anything extravagant, but right here is the head. So we are just going to, by the way, before I forget, there is a piece of paper towel in between these two layers of shirt. That way, just in case, it doesn't go to the other side and stick to the back. So just remember that. So I am going to put an quick little eyeball right there. Maybe a little bigger. And then a little eyeball right there. And then we'll put a cute little nose. Maybe with a little and that's my neon pink. I'm just gonna fix the nose a little bit. There we go. So that is my cute little pastel Easter bunny with a neon face. So if you want to, you can do the shirt in any different color you want to. I normally do the back also with puffy paint, so you have the same design. So you can do that, or you don't have to. And also, when you use puffy paint, if you are wearing the shirt or if you are giving the shirt to somebody, make sure you let them know they want to wash it in cold water and then hang dry, because if you wash it in hot water, this is going to kind of melt and then your shirt's going to stick together. And if you put it in the dryer, it's definitely going to melt and it's definitely going to stick together. So cold water and hang dry for puffy paint. So if you do your Easter bunny, I would love to see it in the comments below. And a happy Easter coming up. I hope you guys are staying safe and try to have as much fun as you can while you're at home, and thank you for watching.